for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Infiniti Qx80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the Infiniti Qx80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The Qx80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.